How electric water heater works. An electric water heater works by using electrical resistance to heat water. The heater typically consists of a tank, an electric heating element, and a thermostat. The tank is insulated to keep the water hot, and is filled with water from the main water supply. The electric heating element, which is typically located at the bottom of the tank, is connected to the thermostat. The thermostat controls the temperature of the water in the tank by turning the heating element on and off as needed. When the thermostat senses that the water in the tank has cooled to a certain temperature, it turns on the heating element, which heats the water. As the water temperature rises, the thermostat turns off the heating element. The hot water produced by the electric water heater is then used for various purposes such as bathing, cleaning, cooking, and others. Some electric water heaters also have a feature to hold a certain amount of hot water in reserve, so that hot water is available even if the heating element is not currently running. Overall, electric water heaters are a convenient and efficient way to heat water for household use. Please do subscribe for more information. Thank you.